Hello everyone. I'm going to talk about the CX freeze, and I'm installing here. And CX freeze is one of the most useful, modules in Python, and can be installed using pip. But I'm having more difficulty to installing this in my machine, in my PC. And what's going on is now I'm searching for lots of things here. How to install that? I'm getting failure. Yeah, it is paid. CX freeze is not installed properly. I'm trying to get idea. Studio apt install. Did leave any? I think it's not working. Yeah, not working. Now let's install using pip. Okay, let's see. It works or not? Oh, not working. Not working. It's getting error. Yeah. Now by installing it is not working. Is it live dev? I've already installed that, but not working. Let's find out another one. Okay, why is Python set up by saying invalid command bdlist will? Yo. Now it's loading. Pip install will. Let's try out. I did install this. Pip install will, and it will work maybe. Okay, now will is installed properly. Now again, Python. No Python pip filter install 6 freeze. Okay, let's see it works or not. After it is working, I'll be converting that by file into executable file. Okay, now successfully installed. Python 3 setup by to build. Yeah, it will work. No, not working. I think there is some problem in my script. Executable the by and base and win64 by 3 Python 3 setup that by this build. It's not working. Copy it and search. Okay, now get back and search now. Okay, I'm searching for it. No. I'm testing this is because someone has posted on a blog, and I'm trying to do that. The code is working or not. Actually, I'm trying to execute that code. Okay, I just solve the problem by changing this. Is it working or not in file the freezer that by? I have to find picture that buy. Where did I find that file? 4 years ago. Oh. It was posted 4 years ago. Maybe in 2016. Okay, now let's see. Text editor. Okay, and yes, freeze imports that we console. Let's console. It works or not? Console is right there. No, I can't write that console. This is Win32. This it's not working. 8. Why? I have to find. How I have to find again. Okay, now runtime CX freeze. It's not working. Done, please. Oh my god, what is that? So freezer build stake for CX freeze. I have to find very quickly. Okay, CX freezer build. Let's find out. Let's find out. Let's point out that this is not useful anyway, and there is 0 reputation, so it's not good. So I have to find another one. Let's try out bounce. No, can't build. Can minimize that. Okay, now in the documentation it will work. What is written here? pip install. Let's try out after upgrading. CX freeze. Whether it works or not. CX freeze. Yeah, upgrade. Upgraded now, bro. Upgraded. And upgrading. Oh my god, now it's upgrading. Done. Cerebral builder. Oh no. My mistake is there. Okay, CX underscore freeze. Okay, let's try out. Oh my god, we have a same problem. Okay, we have a same problem, and to find that problems. Okay, let's see here and find the documentation. Yeah, see our documentation. Let's try out that official documentation, and inside the official documentation, what a pound is this this distill commands cx distillers command. This is the distillers. Let's scroll down. See, these are the forms that I will build. There's something like that. Okay, awesome description. This is function, like a functions. Awesome man. the functions are the top here. Pump pulsar y wheel, and there is a setup file. Setup that file is now here. Let's try out that import as well as this. Let me do that. I have to write the build exe options. Okay, we associate enter. Okay, this. We have to write so many things here. But that is different. Yeah, that is different, bro. Okay. That is different, but I have to check it out whole code. Yeah. The sys doesn't work, I think. Okay. Here. I've done that. Okay. Done that, bro. Okay, it is also done. How does it build? Oh, build. Okay. Oh my god, GUIF the file, no such file directory. Okay, I have to change this, yeah. I have a Python script, team.py, yeah, team.py Python script. This is the GUI file. Okay. I think this must be working. Yeah, now we're working, now it's done. Let's find out the build file. Yeah, there is a build file, yeah. Okay. Build file, there is build file, this CMake actually leads into CMake. Yeah. This is build file, this is executable file. Finally we got executable file, and it is useful in Linux. This is CMake file, CMake, and we have to make this executable with CMake. And finally we got this CMake. We have to work with CMake, and this team file is not working, and even it doesn't have any extensions there. Okay, now let's see. Okay, call it out, bro. Call it out. Get